Did you know that over 70% of Forex trading is conducted by automated systems? That means creating your own EA robot could put you right in the mix with the pros. Welcome to this video where we'll explore how to create a Forex EA robot without coding. Yes, you heard that right, no coding. This is especially great news for traders who don't have a programming background but still want to take advantage of automated trading. In this video, we're going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to create an EA robot that can help you with your trading decisions. This will be specifically focused on a trendline strategy, which is a popular and effective way to trade Forex. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create your own EA robot that can help you automate your trading decisions, freeing up more time for you to focus on other aspects of your trading journey. Manual trading can be challenging, and we all know that. We've all been there, stuck in front of our screens, trying to make sense of the endless streams of data and charts. It can be overwhelming, and more often than not, our emotions can get the better of us, leading to impulsive decisions that can hurt our trading performance. One of the biggest challenges of manual trading is the emotional roller coaster that comes with it. When we're in the midst of a trade, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement or fear of a potential loss, leading us to make decisions that aren't based on logic or reason. Another challenge is the sheer complexity of technical analysis. With so many indicators, charts, and patterns to keep track of, it's easy to get lost in the noise and struggle to make sense of it all. Not to mention the time-consuming nature of manual trading. We've all spent hours poring over charts, analyzing data, and trying to make sense of the markets. It's exhausting, and it can take a toll on our mental and physical health. But what if I told you there's a better way? What if you could automate your trading decisions, freeing up more time for you to focus on other aspects of your trading journey? That's where EA robots come in. By automating your trading decisions, you can take the emotions out of trading and focus on what really matters, making money. But before we dive into the creation of our EA robot, let's talk about trendlines. Trendlines are a fundamental component of technical analysis, and they can be a powerful tool in your trading arsenal. A trend line is simply a line that connects a series of higher lows or lower highs, indicating the direction of the market. Trend lines can be used to identify patterns, predict price movements, and provide key levels of support and resistance. But here's the thing. Trend lines can be notoriously difficult to create and update manually. It takes a lot of time and effort to identify the right levels, draw the lines, and adjust them as the market changes. That's where our EA robot comes in. By automating the trendline strategy, we can take the manual effort out of the equation and let the robot do the hard work for us. So, what do we need to create this EA robot? We'll need a few key components: a platform to build the robot, a strategy to follow, and some settings to tweak. The platform we'll be using is a user-friendly, drag-and-drop platform that doesn't require any coding knowledge. This means that anyone can create their own EA robot, regardless of their programming background. The strategy we'll be using is a simple trendline strategy that identifies key levels of support and resistance. This will be the backbone of our EA robot, and it will provide the foundation for our trading decisions. The settings we'll be tweaking will include things like the take profit and stop loss levels, the lot size, and the frequency of trades. These will all be customizable to fit your individual trading style. Now, let's get started with creating our EA robot. The first step is to open up our platform and create a new project. This is where we'll start building our EA robot from scratch. Next, we'll add in our strategy, which will be based on the trendline indicator. This will provide the foundational logic for our robot's trading decisions. Once we've added in our strategy, we'll need to tweak the settings to fit our individual trading style. This will include things like the take profit and stop loss levels, the lot size, and the frequency of trades. As we move through the creation process, we'll need to test and refine our EA robot to make sure it's performing as expected. This will involve backtesting the robot against historical data to see how it would have performed in different market conditions. After we've refined our EA robot, we can deploy it to our live trading account, where it will start making trades on our behalf. By using an EA robot, we can automate our trading decisions, freeing up more time for us to focus on other aspects of our trading journey. We can also remove the emotions from trading, making more logical and rational decisions. In this video, we've covered the basics of creating a Forex EA robot without coding, focusing on a trendline strategy that can be automated and customized to fit your individual trading style. We've also explored the benefits of using an EA robot, including the ability to automate our trading decisions and remove emotions from the equation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions about creating your own EA robot. And if you want to learn more about advanced Forex trading strategies, be sure to check out our next video.